Bike review. They've lent me this ultra sexy zerode bike. Let's use it. This bike is exotic. It doesn't have a derailleur. It uses a different technology, which is based off many different gears that I cannot understand because they are complex as... Just look at this. This bike is trail and enduro. It's carbon fiber and it has 27.5-inch wheel. This model is called Tanewa. It comes with a Fox float shock and a Fox Elite 36 fork. The best thing about the gears of this bike is that you can change them at any time. Look at this. And it's already changed. You don't need to pedal it. Enough talking. Now let's go ride. Since this bike comes with really epic, delicious brakes, you can do many tricks. This bike is also really solid for jumping and dropping. The suspension has so much travel distance that you can go over rocks or stairs really easily. The only downside of this bike is that it's a little too heavy. This is also good because it gives you lots of stability doing wheelies, manuals and turns. The lowest gear on this bike is probably even lighter than the SRAM Eagle cassette. It's crazy as... It's time to give this bike back to its owner. The stability of this bike is just insane. It's really good for uphill, and the pinion gearbox only needs one service in a year. ¿Qué onda, bro?
¿Qué onda, man?
Toda tuya, gracias.
Chingón, güey. Qué bueno que te latió, güey.
Thanks a lot to Zerode for lending me this bike. It was a really epic experience. Their bikes are just incredible. Go give them a follow on Instagram. Consider getting one of these bikes.